In this video, I'll show you how to create a sales pipeline in Pipedrive. Start by signing into your Pipedrive account. From the left menu, click Deals to open your current sales pipeline. Next, click the pipeline name at the top of the page, then select Manage Pipelines. Click Add New Pipeline to create a new one. After that, enter a name for your pipeline and start adding the stages that represent your sales process. You can rename stages, drag and drop them into a different order, and assign a probability to each stage if needed. Now click Save to create your pipeline. Once it's ready, return to the Deals page and select your new pipeline from the Pipeline drop-down menu. Next, click Add Deal to create your first deal. Enter the deal details, assign it to the appropriate contact and organization, choose your new pipeline, and select the starting stage. Finally, save the deal and move it through the pipeline as it progresses. You can drag and drop deals between stages to keep your sales process organized and up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a sales pipeline in Pipedrive. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.